Can show you the charts on the ones that I opened last. And for example, on DAX, I was following this head and shoulders for some time. I think since we printed this right shoulder, but I didn't have confirmation. And this morning, actually, it was a bit weird for me because, you know, I saw the futures on S&P 500 bouncing, you know, S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Dow just bouncing, but still DAX was going lower, but I didn't have the confirmation. So what happened? I went on 4 hours and I was waiting for this previous lower high. As you can see, this was a bullish structure, right? So high, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this was the first signal that it looked like weakness. However, I wanted to short somewhere around this area, but I'm not, you know, I wanted like a retest from here. So this was the higher low, and I wanted to go like here. And I thought that after this break, we're going to retest it. We didn't retest, and I see that now we are going lower. So most likely, this is a topping pattern, and this can be the top for some time if this is not a false break. I want to follow up on this. I pulled the trigger around this area because we already lost it. It might be a little bit late. I have no information that this is late actually, because I still see Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P still selling off. I also see Nikkei futures going lower. So I think that there is a fair chance that we might go even lower than this, like tapping this area and tapping this area. Let's see. The take profit is almost irrelevant right now. I just wanted here in case it's like it's a deeper sell-off. I don't want to be I don't want to close it so soon. Also, I'm gonna be here in the AMA, so I'm not gonna have time to babysit it or to watch it. However, like I said, I like what's happening with the Japanese index trade. Basically, it was the same thing, like the same framework, because I see DAX going lower now on the futures, because I saw Dow Jones, and I'm seeing Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and S&P selling off. Most likely Nikkei futures and on the Asian session, we're gonna go lower. This is a bigger volume. However, please take in consideration that the account has $250,000 balance. Okay, so $250,000 balance. 1% risk would have been 2,500. 0.5% risk would have been 1,250, right? So if you take that in consideration, though, so my minus on here is like 777, and on the DAX trade is like 151. So for me, it's more than fine. I can take this risk. All in all, it's even under 0.5%. If both of these trades are gonna get closed with minus, I'm still gonna be under good parameters.